Hey everybody, let's make it pop. It's Matthew Reinhart here, and today we're going to make a really cool transforming robot pop. Ooh, it transforms. Everyone knows I like Transformers a lot, so I thought it'd be fun to make our own, and we can turn it into anything you want. Okay, so first what you're going to need to do is print out the templates, and there's a link down below. You can download the templates from that site, and then you can print them out onto cardstock. And you're going to need 2 pieces of cardstock. Use whatever color you would like. Now, first, what you're going to need to do, there's 2 different types of lines on these templates. There's score lines, and those are the dotted lines that you'll see, the black dotted lines, and then there are solid black lines, and those are where we're going to cut. So first, we're going to score, and scoring, we're pressing into the paper. We're going to use a paper clip and a ruler, and we're going to press into the cardstock with the edge of the paper clip and score all of those dotted lines. So use your ruler, line it up on the dotted line, and just press down with the edge of that paper clip onto all those dotted lines that you see on all the pieces for this pop-up. Once you're finished with that, you're going to cut out all the pop-up pieces and very carefully cut them out along all the solid black lines. And by the way, these are not my hands. This is my helper, Kirsten. She's excellent, and she's going to help make these pops, and she's cutting them out. Look at, oh wow, she's doing it so well. Sometimes, if the pop-up is a little bit complicated to cut out, I'll cut away some of the paper and make it a little easier for your hands. There are a few solid black lines inside this large piece. What you can do is just use a sharp pencil and poke a little hole in, and then see if you can thread your scissors into that area and cut out those lines right there. Notice, like, she moves the paper rather than moving her scissors, so it's a lot easier for her to cut out some of those really tough spots on all these pop-up pieces. All right, before we get assembling, let's pre-fold all the pop-up pieces. And this way, our pop-up knows which direction to go. So let's start with this piece here, and we're going to fold it here. And these are the knees of our transforming robot, and this little piece here, and then they're the knees, and then that's where the legs are right there. We're going to fold them in the same direction, right like that. And again, we're just folding this so our paper knows which way to go, because we want our pop-up to move really well. We're going to fold this one back and forth, just like that. And then we're going to push it in. See, these are V-folds. She's going to push them in like that. They go inward, like that. And the top part in the middle goes outward. Look at that. So that's how it's going to move. And now we're all ready. Let's start gluing. Now we're going to very carefully glue each section. We're just going to, this is regular craft glue, like that you can get at any store. And so we're going to line up some of these shapes. So that's glue A here, and she's using her craft glue, and she's, rather than making a big glob of it in the center, she's kind of painting it inside that gray shape. And you're going to know that this piece lines up. See, it lines up exactly inside that shape, just like that. So just that tab, and it glues right down, just like that. Beautiful. And be sure to let your glue dry. Give it a few minutes to just dry. Now, let's glue this piece on. This is section B, and it's going to glue directly on this area right here. See, it's shaped just like that. Just paint a little glue in that area, that same shape. You'll notice she doesn't really put huge amounts, so there's not glue everywhere. Because if you get glue outside of that shape, the rest of your pop-up is going to stick to each other, and it's never going to be able to transform. We want that robot to transform, don't we? That's going to be our little tab that we pull. Look at that. That's cool. Now, let's see. What's next? All right, now let's glue this little rectangular area here down. So we're going to see it fits just within that little blue space. So we're going to paint it onto the tab, just like that. Press it down. When you're building this pop-up, make sure that you do it and it's flat. You can see how she flattens it down. She's pressing down. All right, this piece needs to go right here. See that? It goes right on top, just like that. All right, see how the edge is round there near the grape area? So that's where that edge is going to go. She paints in just in that spot, very carefully. Don't want to get glue everywhere. Otherwise, this will transform into nothing. And again, some of this glue, it doesn't take long to dry, maybe even a minute. So you just be a little patient. Glue this last tab into place, just right here. Just like that. Now, when the pop-up card is closed, you can draw your object within that shape, that outer shape. See that sort of bumped outer shape there when it's closed, and you can make anything turn into the robot. It could be an animal, it could be a car, it could be anything you like. Now you can decorate these pop-up with anything. You can use markers, crayons, pencils, colored pencils. You could even use glitter and sequins and all this sort of stuff, as long as you let whatever you're doing dry before you close it. So you can decorate it any way you want. You can make any kind of silly transforming robot that you like. But you can make it turn into anything you want. This is your pop-up creation. So have fun making it. Look at that. It is so cool. And now, there he is, our very own transforming bot. Look at that, our own pop-up transforming bot. Oh, it's so cool and cute. I hope you've enjoyed. This is Matthew Reinhart saying, see you later. If you like what you see, hit like and subscribe, and we'll have more DIY pops, and we'll keep on making it pop. See you next time. Bye-bye.